बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर थ्रू स्ट्रक्चर्स। वी कैन कैलकुलेट ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर विदाउट स्ट्रक्चर एंड ऑल्सो ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर विद स्ट्रक्चर्स. So with the help of structure, oxidation number is more accurate as compared to the calculation of oxidation number without structure, because with structure it is 100% correct. फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स आपको दे देती हूँ, वहीं से आप समझ लें. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज दैट ऑफ sulfuric acid. You know the formula of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. This is the formula for sulfuric acid. Now I have to draw its structure. The structure is such: hydrogen forms a bond with oxygen. Oxygen is directly linked with sulfur. Sulfur forms a double bond with another oxygen, and another oxygen again it forms a double bond. Then this sulfur is directly linked with oxygen, and this oxygen forms a bond with hydrogen. Now the structure is complete: H2SO4. Now when we calculate the oxidation number through structure, actually it is based on the basis of electronegativity. Electronegativity means the power of an atom to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. So in this case, we say that oxygen is more electronegative as compared to hydrogen. So the apparent charge on oxygen comes equal to be -1, and for hydrogen, least electronegative, +1. Similarly, for one bond, the oxidation number apparent charge will be -1, but in this case there is a double bond, so instead of writing -1 and -1, collectively I write -2 in this case, and it is balanced by sulfur +2. Here oxygen, which is electronegative and has an apparent charge -1, is balanced by +1 of sulfur. Now this oxygen is more electronegative, that's why it attracts the electronic cloud towards itself. The apparent charge is -2, which is balanced by +2 of sulfur. Similarly, this oxygen is more electronegative, so the apparent charge here is -1, and for sulfur it will be +1, and hydrogen, the least electronegative, +1. Now calculate total minus and total plus. So total minus are -1, पहले ये देख लेते हैं, -2, -2, -4, -5 and -6. And we have to calculate the oxidation number of the central element, that is sulfur. So -6 is balanced always by +6. It means the oxidation number of this sulfur will be +6 because it is a neutral molecule. So this is the case of structure of sulfuric acid. The first example. Now take the example of potassium permanganate. And other example, that is KMnO4. Now we say, according to structure, what will be the oxidation number of manganese. So first write the structure. Structure is first write the central metal atom, that is manganese. This manganese forms a linkage with oxygen. It forms a bond with potassium. And this manganese forms 3 double bonds with oxygen. 1, 2 and 3. Total oxygen are 4. Fourth one is this one. Now, this structure is based on the basis of electronegativity. Oxygen, being more electronegative, attracts the electron towards itself, so apparent charge will be -1, and for potassium is +1. This oxygen is attracting the electron here from here also, so when -1 here, the manganese oxidation number will be +1. This oxygen forms a bond, single bond has an apparent charge that is -1. So -1 in this case and -1 for this bond. So overall the charge will be -2. Similar is the case with this oxygen, -2. Similar is the case with this oxygen, -2. This -2 is balanced by +2. This -2 is balanced by +2. This -2 is balanced by +2 because it is a neutral molecule. Now see, the total negative charge is -2, -2, -4, -6, -7, and ये 2 to 4 4 हो गया, 5 6 and then -7. और इसके अलावा क्या आएगा हमारे पास, -7, कहीं गड़बड़ हो रही है हमारे पास, -7, and this -7 will be balanced by +7 because +7 is the oxidation number. एक मिनट मुझे दोबारा देखने दें, यहाँ पर हमारे पास डबल बॉन्ड आ रहा है तो ये -2 हो गया, यहाँ पर ये -2 हो गया, ये -2 बैलेंस्ड बाय +2, ये -2 बैलेंस्ड बाय +2, -2 बैलेंस्ड बाय +2. Here oxygen जो है ये -1 है because of this, and oxygen again यहाँ पर -1 बॉन्ड बना रही है with manganese because it is more electronegative, so -1 will be the apparent charge and +1 for manganese. So total charge will be -2, -2, -2, -6, -7, -6, -7 and -8. ऐसे आ रहा है ना, दोबारा देख लेते हैं, -2, -6, -7 and then -8. So -8 आ गया, ये हमारे पास टोटल ऑक्सीजन एंड +1 फॉर potassium. That will be equal to -7, and this -7 is balanced by +7. So the oxidation number of manganese in this case according to structure formula is +1. This is the case of स्ट्रक्चर फार्मूला. स्ट्रक्चर फार्मूला अगर हमारे पास हो तो हम कैसे मैनेज करेंगे. अब हम एक थर्ड एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, दैट इज़ ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ phosphorus in orthophosphoric acid. Okay, this is the third example. क्या होगा हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल, ये थर्ड है हमारे पास. द थर्ड एग्जाम्पल इज, if formula is given H3PO4 and one asks you that find the oxidation number of phosphorus according to its structure. So first of all you will write the structural formula. Structure formula is that phosphorus forms a double bond with oxygen, and then it forms 3 single bonds with 3 oxygens. Total oxygens are completed, and this oxygen is directly linked with hydrogen. Again this oxygen is directly linked with hydrogen. Again this oxygen is directly linked with hydrogen. Structure is complete. अब हम इसका देखते हैं, we see its electronic behavior. What happens This oxygen, being more electronegative, tends to attract the electronic cloud towards itself. So apparent charge on this oxygen comes equal to be -2, which is balanced by +2. Similarly, this oxygen, there is a bond between oxygen and phosphorus. Oxygen attracts electron towards itself. So -1 charge on oxygen and +1 for phosphorus. And again this oxygen is forming a bond with hydrogen. It attracts the electron towards itself and hydrogen gets +1 apparent charge. इसको भी सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. Oxygen being more electronegative, forming bond with phosphorus, attracts the electron towards itself. Apparent charge is -1 और phosphorus पर आएगा +1. And this oxygen is forming bond with hydrogen, again more electronegative, so apparent charge is -1 and hydrogen has apparent charge +1. Similarly, this oxygen being more electronegative tends to attract the electron toward itself. Oxidation numbers come equal to be -1, which is balanced by +1 of phosphorus. Again, on this side, this oxygen is forming a single bond with hydrogen. So it attracts the electronic cloud more from hydrogen towards oxygen. So apparent charge is -1, which is balanced by +1 of hydrogen. अब हम क्या करते हैं? See how many negative charges are there. -2, -4, -6 and -8. ये हमारे पास आ गया और -8 और हमारे पास प्लस चार्जेस कितने आ जाते हैं? 1, 2 and 3. -8 and +3 ये आ गया ना. -8 + 3 it will be equal to -5. This -5 is balanced by +5 because it is a neutral molecule. और यहाँ वैसे भी देख लें फास्फोरस पर तो +2 +1 +3 हो गया, +1 +4 +5. It means oxidation number of phosphorus in case of orthophosphoric acid ये हमारे पास आ रहा है +5. थर्ड एग्जाम्पल. अब इसी में हम ऑर्थोफॉस्फोरिक एसिड के अलावा फॉस्फोरस का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर हर वक्त +5 नहीं रहता. It is different in different cases. So we see what happens if we take another example. The example here is H3PO3. The formula again is phosphorus is the central metal atom forming double bond with oxygen, and also it forms a bond with oxygen, and oxygen is directly linked with hydrogen. Okay, and hydrogen. Now this structure formula is based on the basis of electronegativity. Oxygen being more electronegative, -2 charge, +2 phosphorus. Here oxygen apparent charge is -1 +1 for hydrogen. Here -1 for oxygen, +1 for phosphorus. Here +1 for hydrogen. And in this case oxygen is electronegative, apparent charge is -1 and +1 for phosphorus. Here -1 for oxygen and +1 for phosphorus. तो आपको क्या नज़र आ रहा है यहाँ पर? टोटल चार्जेस -2, -3 ये आ गया -4, -5, -5 आ गया हमारे पास। और फॉस्फोरस का अगर देखा जाए तो हमारे पास क्या बनता है, एक -2 बैलेंस बाय +2, हेयर -1 एंड +1, हेयर -1 एंड +1, यहाँ पर +1 आ गया, ठीक है। और यहाँ पर हमारे पास आ गया +1। टोटल कितने हो गए -2 और -4 -6, ये -6 हमारे पास आ जाते हैं। और प्लस वाले हमारे पास कितने हैं, +2 +3 +4 +5 +6 +7 +7। लेकिन ये यहाँ पे हमारे पास कहीं गड़बड़ हो रही है, दोबारा से चेक करते हैं। ऑक्सीजन बीइंग मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव टेंड्स टू अट्रैक्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन टुवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ, -2 charge will balance by +2 and this phosphorus is forming bond with this, so oxygen attracts electron toward itself -1, तो ये +1 से हो जाएगी। इस तरफ देखा जाए तो इसका -1 और +1 बनता है, यहाँ पर भी ऑक्सीजन अट्रैक्ट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन -1 और ये +1 आ गई हमारे पास। Here oxygen is again -1 and +1, and here there is no oxygen directly, it is +1 और it is balanced by -1। इसको अगर हम यूँ कर लें तो हमारे पास आ जाता है -2 -3 और साथ में हमारे पास आ जाता है -4 -5 -6 और फॉस्फोरस का हमारे पास आ जाता है +2 +3 और +4। इस तरह करते हैं, इसमें कन्फ्यूजन है, इसको अभी आप रहने दें, ये फिर किसी वक्त कर लेंगे जिस वक्त दिमाग की बत्ती ठीक होगी। अभी हम इसको छोड़ देते हैं, किसी और वक्त कर लेंगे। अब हम देखते हैं कि when there is an elemental state like chlorine and like nitrogen, in this case the two atoms are similar, इनमें कोई इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव इशू नहीं है बिकॉज बोथ एलिमेंट्स आर सिमिलर। जब सिमिलर हों तो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी का काम तो है नहीं कि दोनों बराबर हैं, कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है कि दैट इज़ मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव तो इट वांट्स टू अट्रैक्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन टुवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ। इन सच केसेस व्हाट हैपन्स, द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर्स comes equal to be 0, and same is in the case of phosphorus, कि जब आपके पास एक जैसे एलिमेंट हों, डिफरेंट ना हो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी के, तो क्या होती है ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, अकॉर्डिंग टू स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला it is always 0. I have given the examples in my shorts of phosphine and others. Now structure formula जो है actually it is based upon electronegativity. So what is the order of electronegativity? Order of electronegativity, which one is more acidic? तो हम लिखेंगे जिसकी सबसे ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी है, which attracts the electron more towards itself, that is always fluorine. Its electronegativity is maximum starting from 4. Fluorine is more electronegative as compared to oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. It is more electronegative than chlorine and bromine, तकरीबन बराबर. They are more electronegative than iodine, it is more electronegative than sulfur, it is more electronegative than carbon, and it is more electronegative than hydrogen. तो ये हमारे पास लीस्ट वन आ गया। तो इसी की बेसिस पर, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी की बेसिस पर हम क्या करते हैं, वी कैलकुलेट द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स। तो वो जो एक हमारा रह गया है प्रॉब्लम, इंशाल्लाह वी विल सॉल्व इट लेटर। few shots are given that you will see in shots. Near about I have given 2 examples. Thank you.